Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Is Halloween coming, man? Look at that, huh? What do you think? What we should dress this year, huh? What this represent?
A fucking banana, man.
Banana? Man, look like a kiwi to me. Šta je ovo? What is this shit? Oh, Spider-Man here. Yeah. How about this one? Great, great, great idea. Which one?
Look how big it is, bro. Like, how much does this cost?
Probably 50 bucks. This is Canada, right? Yeah, 35 bucks.
Oh, that's not bad.
Welcome to Canada, overpriced country.
That's not overpriced.
Let's go. What do you mean? In US you can buy for 20, man. Oh, look at this dude. $32, man. It's too expensive considering it's coming from China, right? What is this shit? Man. You wanna be pickle? Great. Let's go. Get your chocolate. Where's the chocolate? Show me the chocolate. Show me the chocolate. How my day starts, guys. Yeah. So today I am starting my trip, guys, and I am going back to North Carolina again. So this is gonna be exciting trip because the beautiful weather. Highways are in Canada really nice, and they have flow. We'll see how that works in New York State and Pennsylvania and Virginia. Usually it's a smooth ride. So this is introduction to my new trip, and I will update you with more exciting videos in the future, guys. So support my channel and stay tuned, man. So guys, here I am. I am just before US border, New York State, and I am just printing my trip paper so I can go over the border. Let's see if I can print this, because this printer is giving me some trouble, you know what I mean? Maybe signal is bad, you know, it's hard to say, right? Sometimes you have a bad signal, and sometimes I have to go and stop a truck stop to get better signal. Let's see, I'm gonna check it out for a few minutes. If my printer is responding. Between that type, I'm gonna get one cookie a little bit, enjoy my coffee. No stress? Yeah, today should not be stress. Usually I don't have any stress. I like driving, I like trucking, so that's how you take it. Okay, print. Let's try to print this baby. So printer is not responding, meaning we have to go on Flying J and ask dispatcher to send me email so I can print a Flying J. This printer is malfunctioning. That's why never go to border before you print your paper. Yeah, never. I try manually, but printer was jammed. Let's try again. Alright, now it's doing. See that? So nothing serious. Printer was jammed and we gotta print it. I did manual print, so that way we can keep rolling. Yeah. That's it. Let's put my passport here. Right? I need passport to cross the border, right? So I'm not gonna be stopping on this Flying J. Gonna go and fuel next location because everything works here. I will check my entry number is there and I am holding tobacco, so this is gonna go straight to North Carolina, people. Yeah, and don't ask me why tobacco to North Carolina. I have no clue. That's not my job. I am here to deliver goods from point A to B. That's it. So that's how you do it, buddy. You don't ask too much. Just do the job and go, man. Do the job and go. And of course, I am parked, so don't worry about seat belts. Soon we're gonna put one on and keep rolling. So we have actually, I'm gonna stop on this Flying J to fuel. I think it's cheaper in Canada to fuel than in US, that's for sure. So stop there, and after we're gonna keep rolling towards the US border. Yeah. Not that difficult, people. Yeah. I'm 42,000 pounds, so it's a lot of weight off here. Lots of weight here today. You're gonna let me in? Alright, good boy, you let me in, good boy. So it's really much hotter here in New York State than in Canada. So So let's put some gas here, guys. I really need it, you know. I have 1/8 of the tank there, so I need to fuel. I have good half an hour of sleep, and that's all I need, just to keep me refresh my mind and keep me going. That's it. Now it's 4 o'clock. I should stop in 4 hours and go sleep. That's what happened. You have to take trucking as it is. You cannot just I'm going straight. Thank you, buddy. Truckers today are really nice, really nice. Let's go and make a turn here. I cannot make first turn here. I don't think I can make second one there. It's kind of tight here, but that's okay. No rush. It's Tuesday actually. What the heck? We have so much time today. Oh, a lot of time, guys. Lots of time. So I'm gonna go just swing here into this guy spot here. Hopefully he's gonna understand me that I need some fuel and go from there. Oh, another truck is going there. Okay. So you're gonna snap them in half, and what happened there, you can help you out. That's the whole point of this cable. Hey, truckers. Okay, so I have good hour of sleep. Now it's time to roll again, guys. Yeah, yes. Let's grab the coffee and fuel the truck and let's go. Tell you guys, my reading on my scale is front 11440, so I cannot fill up fuel tanks right now. I'm gonna do just one tank one side because I don't want to overweight myself on the front, on the steering part. So always check your weight or your scale ticket before you fuel. That's the main idea. So support my channel. Let's fuel the truck and keep